Lipstick is the pride of girls, but Lisa can really throw it away. However, that's not the case. Lisa seems to be preparing a superior trick on Cola. How could it drop here? Ew, so gross. It's time to make fun of Cola. Surely you'll be tonight's highlight. Hey, wash it, or else you will have nose cancer. What's this? How can you do this to me as a friend? It's golden time for the tricks. Are you ready? Firstly, take the tape and circulate it on the toilet paper. Now here comes the stuck paper. But this is the fun part. Use the double-sided tape to stick on the toilet surface. Of course, stick on two sides. No way to get out. Our victim, of course, is Hannah. It's undeniable that playing tricks in the toilet will blow the victim away, right? You might have to sleep in there today, Hannah. Do you want to play badminton with ice being covered? Sure, let's do this. Look like they are killing the fly. That hurts. Now is the time for my wisdom. Go to hell. Why is Cola suddenly so strong? My last shot. Who can win if you play like this, Cola? Hello, Lisa. Suddenly I want to drink some milk. I'm local here. Don't worry. Wait a minute. Wait, why don't we have some fun with pie? Here's your milk. This a lot. Keep it to yourself.
Oh my god.
What have you done? I want to vomit. Just a small joke. Don't worry, it's still hygienic. Look at my amazing through. I'm coming! You caused the accident. Are you okay? Out the frying pan and into the fire. If eating is wrong, then pie doesn't need to be right. I'm full now. Let's act like I'm the victim. Poor you. Let me take it out. You dare to pretend? Stop eating on the slide next time. Bun may not be that good at love, but when it comes to game, he is the master. Can I borrow the chair? Ugly and impolite. It's my time to revenge. Hey, help me! I'm not that easy. Her sleeping habit is worsening. She really can sleep anywhere. Let's teach Hannah a lesson. Ew, disgusting! Now open your eyes wide. I will not comment on this. Don't forget to like and subscribe for us.